Hi guys, Mohau here, aka the Lazy Makoti, and today we're outside. We're going to be making something really special on the braai. We're making some boerie rolls that we're going to top with some delicious pineapple salsa. So let's get straight into it. So there are many different ways to cook boerie rolls, but this is how I do it. You want to cook it low and slow because you don't want the skin to burst if it's too hot. So just take your time. Now is when you fix yourself a drink and you let this baby cook. I've got all my ingredients here. Just some pineapple that I cubed, red onion, some cucumber, a little bit of coriander, and for some kick, some red chili. Just gonna add this into my bowl. This is such a beautiful, colorful summer salsa. And now for my coriander that I just roughly chopped, my red chili. And then in here I just have a little bit of some lime juice. You can use lemon juice or some vinegar. And there is our easy salsa. Now our beautifully toasted buns, now to assemble. And there we have it, summer on a plate. Happy braaiing!